Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore the neighborhood of Los Boliches here in Fingarola. There's quite a bit to do, so I didn't want to include it in the Fingarola video. They both deserve their own. So we're going to check out some statues, the Paseo Maritimo and the beaches, some churches, see what else we can get into. Also, there's Roman ruins, so we'll head up there, we'll see that. Probably grab a bite to eat. So stay tuned, we're going to start our journey around Los Boliches. And just down here, you'll see a little chapel. It's the Virgin de Fatima, Los Boliches. Quite a popular spot. A lot of people stop by. Interesting, you'll see these kind of all over, at least the south of Spain. There's one up in Mijas, which was for the Virgin de la Pena. So an interesting ritual here, beautifully done. Definitely stop by and check it out, religious or not. Very interesting. And here is a statue of the patron saint of Los Boliches, Virgin del Carmen. Of course, Los Boliches has a strong maritime tradition. You can see the anchor just on the right hand side. Quite a nice statue, beautiful here. So of course, Los Boliches is full of beautiful beaches, just like all of Fingarola, but what I wanted to do is show you this cool little tribute they have. It's called the Fountain of Nations. It represents 132 nations that coexist together here in Los Boliches. And a cool little fact is the size of the flag represents the population of the citizens here in Los Boliches. So there you have England, and over here you have Canada, just a small flag. But really cool tribute to the people of Los Boliches. Hey guys, so check out this church. We're up here in the Plaza de Carmen here in Los Boliches. Beautiful old Spanish church. You see they're just setting up a little cafe here. Absolutely remarkable. And you can see the statue here. It's actually of a fisherman mending his nets. So really cool little spot to come up, have a coffee once they're all set up. All right, so we made it up to the Parque Yacimiento Romano. And it's the old Roman baths. We're gonna go in and check this out. I'm just gonna see what I have to, if I have to pay or anything, and then we'll get in here, we'll check her out. Looks like there's a little interpretive center up there. Should be fun. Okay, so we're inside. Just about to look at the Roman ruins here. So right here in front of us, where you see all these dugout kind of holes with the concrete and the stone, that is a salted fish factory. Behind that, there's a set of stairs, and over to the right is some kilns. There's also some gardens, and then the Roman baths are over here. So let's go have a look. Can't really go in, but we can kind of get a nice view. It's unfortunate I didn't have my drone with me. I wasn't going to drag it all the way to Spain, but that would have been awesome to have a view from the drone. But here's the salted fish factory. Kind of cool. And how they found this was they were doing some public works expansions. They were widening the road and stuff in Fingarola, and in the 1970s is when they found the first piece. So not that long ago, like 51 years ago. And then as they continued to do more and more and more projects, they found more and more and more stuff, all the way up to the year 2001. And here's the kilns. You can definitely see that is kind of cool. I'm gonna walk up this ramp, and then maybe we'll be able to look down in them. It's pretty amazing to see this stuff, actually. Like you learn about it in school, and now I get to see it, so kind of cool. Yeah, here's some of the old kilns. I'll go up here so we can look down. All right, kind of cool. I didn't see an age, but I'll try to find that out. But yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, so we're just coming up to the stairs that they found, and these are in actually pretty good condition. That's kind of cool. It's amazing that they found this only in the 70s. Like, for some reason, I would think that, because like Fingarola has been around here for a while, but the big tourist boom started in the 60s, so I guess that kind of makes sense, because these were all just little fishing villages along the coast here. All right, and here we are with the salted fish areas, and we're not that far. We're maybe, I don't even know if we're a kilometer from the beach, so kind of makes sense that they were put here. All right, guys, so according to the panels that they have here, the information, this was all built around the 6th century BC, and it became a popular trading in the 5th century BC in Punic times. It was sold all up and down the Mediterranean, the fish. So what they would have is they would have an area for cutting up the fish, for salting the fish, and then for storing the fish. So kind of interesting. All right, guys, check this out. These are the thermal baths. I'm gonna walk around over there so you can see the tile work is still intact, and it looks like you can see the sea. We'll walk around. This is really, you could probably tell I'm getting pretty excited. I love this kind of stuff. It's super cool, and it's absolutely free. You can just walk in here, no admission. You can just walk in. It's here for everyone to enjoy. All right, guys, look at this. So you can see in here the thermal baths. Really cool. I mean, to go through all this to bathe, but I guess it was like a ritual or a custom, like it was what you did in Roman times apparently. But look at this tile work. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. And if you check out my Malaga video, if it's out before this Los Boliches video, I check out some Roman ruins in there, which is really cool, by the Alcazaba. And yeah, here's another view, and like there's the road. So imagine they just had it dug the wrong way or a little too intense, and they would have destroyed all this. And wow, I mean, wow, this is absolutely amazing. All right, guys, so just got an idea here. I got about 4 hours until I have to take the train into the airport to pick up Shelly, and she flies in today. So we're down here in like Los Boliches, Torreblanca kind of area. Just stopped at this BP, and I slammed one of those Aquarius drinks, grabbed a bottle of water, and I Googled the Fingarola Bowl and the Torreblanca, the tower up there. So Google says it's 5 minutes. It says 3 minutes up the sidewalk, this sidewalk, and then 2 minutes through a path. So let's go and do this. Should be epic views once we're up there. I've never been up there before. So I thought maybe a little different. Instead of showing you guys more beaches and churches and stuff, we've been doing a lot of that. So let's go on a little adventure and try to get some epic views of the south of Spain here. All right, guys, so we could see the bull. Google says I should climb this cliff in 2 minutes at that. So not gonna happen. So I'm gonna head this way and we'll figure out how to get up there, but we're not gonna take Google's advice today. Okay, guys, and if you're heading from the BP, like I am, there is the Hotel Fingarola Park. You're gonna make a left right here and head up this way is the way we're gonna go. I don't see the street tile, but it's I'll look it up on Google Maps and I'll drop it in the video. But yeah, we're gonna head up this way. All right, guys, so if you're heading up to this bowl, once you get to the top of the hill runs this way, as you've seen us walk up. You see this beautiful pueblo up here, and then you'll see this park. I'll get the name of it for you in case you want to Google it to help you. It is the Manatayo Park, so the Parque Manatayo. So you want to put that into your map, and it'll be much easier than what I did because Google had me running around everywhere. All right, guys, so we just came up from that park. We're gonna head her up here. We're gonna keep an eye out for snakes. Probably not any. Not very many poisonous ones anyway. Anyways, we're gonna head up here. It looks a lot better. The other way was pretty sketchy, and yeah, wasn't feeling that. So we're gonna head her up here. Epic views. Look at these views. You gotta love a good adventure. Okay guys, so we made it to the Torreblanca and the Fingarola bull, or the Toro de Fingarola. So we're up here. The views are going to be epic. You know, thanks to Google, like 2 minutes. Yeah, I had to walk all around here. The 2 minutes was straight up a 100-foot cliff. So anyways, Google's usually pretty good, but today it was not. But we made it. It is absolutely epic, and epic in every sense of the word. Check this out. I'm so excited. I love it when things come together like this. What an epic adventure. Look at this hillside. Absolutely gorgeous. Views of the Med. That's probably Beno Maldana way down there. I think we're close to, I think we're almost in Torreblanca now. Here's the bull of Fingarola. Unfortunately, there's a cliff, so I can't go out and shoot backwards, but that's okay. Look at this, look at the Med down here. Absolutely stunning. And then back towards Fingarola, you can see just the little arm of the marina. There's the train tracks going that way. It's absolutely gorgeous up here. I gotta tell you, if you can do it for sure. It's worth it. It's mostly road and sidewalk until you get like pretty much to the top of the hill. So it's not too bad. But I was down here at that BP where we started, and I was like, oh sweet, only a couple minutes. Yeah, no, not a couple minutes, but totally epic. Look at this. And then the Torreblanca, absolutely beautiful. And the views, you can't beat the views. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm probably gonna wrap it up here. No, actually, I'm gonna continue it. We'll go grab some lunch after this, because this was quite a hike, and it's about, oh geez, gotta be about 30 degrees now. We're sitting at about 11 o'clock in the morning. I wish I could get a better view of this, but unfortunately, I'm right up close to it. And then the Torreblanca Tower, absolutely stunning. Well worth it. If you want something to do, little hike, it's not too bad. But yeah, it's about a half hour from the BP station, give or take. I don't know, depends how fast you're walking. I also met some people from Bulgaria on the way. I chatted with them for a couple minutes, so that probably chewed up a bit of time. Here's the tower once more. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, you gotta love this part of Spain. And not one snake, or not one that I've seen anyways. I actually haven't seen much of anything. I didn't even see spiders or any bugs, but this is pretty cool. We're gonna head down. That'll take a while. I'm gonna try to get into this chicken place, this Pollo Asado. I go by it on the train every day back to Fingarola, and it is lined up down the road. It opens at, I think, 12:30, so about an hour and a half. So we'll head back down there, and wow, definitely make this walk if you can. Probably be a little better in the fall or winter. It's a little warm, especially from Canada. It's about like 10 degrees back home, and it's 30 here, so whew. Anyways, epic walk. Thanks for coming along. Let's go grab some lunch. All right guys, so this is the place that we're having for lunch, Asador el Pollo Toro. And I got a half a chicken, of course the Aquarius, love slamming those, and then some chips. It came to €5.90, that's it, which is like $9 Canadian, if that. So really good deal. Anyway, I'm gonna go down here on the bench because it is like super boiling. It's all cooked over charcoal. It's charcoal grilled chicken. Looks amazing, smells amazing. It had to be about 45 degrees in there though, but yeah, I'm gonna tuck into this, and I'll take some shots and let you know how it is, but it's amazing smelling. All right guys, so check this out. You get a huge bag of chips or fries, and then you get this half of this roasted chicken, and they have like 4 sauces to choose from. They have chili, garlic, lemon, and salsa verde. Watch this. He's like playing a pan flute. Pretty cool. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna tuck into this. Looks absolutely amazing. I went with the garlic sauce, so should be delicious. It smells phenomenal. All right, guys, shut the front door. Winner chicken dinner. That was friggin' amazing with the garlic oil on top of it. For $9, you can't beat it. If you ever had Portuguese charcoal chicken, it's basically that, but it is super delicious. No wonder it's lined up every day when I drive by on the train. Anyway, I'm gonna head into Plaza de Mayor, do some shopping, chill in the air conditioning. Shelly's about to land. She's flying in from Zurich in like an hour and a half, 2 hours. So I'm gonna hit the train here in Los Boliches and head down there. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.